Today on Jay Hunto's Garage, we're going to cut some stuff up.
Look out!
Since the engine's at the machine shop, I'm going to go ahead and take this time to get some other stuff done while we wait on another cylinder head, since finding out one of the cylinder heads had a crack. Turned out to be the one that had rust in the cylinder, which is probably why there was rust in that cylinder, not any of the others. It's either this or this. This would look more odd, but that's not so bad, even if I put it back here. This is a supercharger. I want to try and put this on top of this and have a 3-inch hole, because that's the size of the hole in the back. So it's only needs a 3-inch hole here. This on top of it, maybe, and the mount for the mass airflow sensor goes on the front. Alright, you're going to be serenaded by some cicadas in the background while this guy is going to cut this right across here. Let's see how far we can get into this. If I had a bandsaw, I would just cut right through it. But because I don't, I'm just going to cut right above these ribs. Or maybe right at the ribs. See what we can do. That's the bottom of this thing. So let's see what we can make happen. I'm gonna have to go on the outside with these. Ta-da! That'll work. A little bit of cleaning up to do. This is exactly why people tend to hold on to weird cars, because they do weird stuff like this to it. They got a lot of time and effort into them. I'm just gonna throw this whole towel away. And it takes a little pride in it. Pride in your work. Pride in your work. Something sorely lacking these days, it seems like. Needs a little more cowbell. Gross. This is all the crap from the EGR system. So we'll clean this up, clean up these edges, get this nice and flat, and then see what she's gonna look like. Okay, so that's how the supercharger is going to sit. That's going to sit right on top, maybe. Is it cheesy enough? Plate on the bottom, this in the front. Yeah, that could work. That could work. Might cut some of this off the back, put a plate on the back. There. Maybe just like that. We'll see. If you got a project car you're working on, and it's something like this, try something weird with it, like this. Maybe it'll come out cool. We'll see, so stay tuned. Hit that subscribe button too. While you're at it, go do something nice for somebody. Anybody can buy something. Go build something. Anybody can build. This is not a video on the proper use of a grinder, so you may want to look away.